Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show how to download and install Microsoft Teams for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and select any browser, for example Microsoft Edge, Firefox or Google Chrome. In this case I select Google Chrome and browse in Google Microsoft Teams download and select the official site of Microsoft.com. One click and select International English and select download for desktop. One click and select your PC and Windows 10 or Windows 11. In my case I select Windows 10. One click in this button and wait a moment. Other option is Teams for work or school, for home, small business. Any version works fine. I try two options. I prefer home edition. Right click and select open this folder or show in folder, or open your file explorer and select downloads. Right click in the exe file and run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And select or click in get started. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. To complete this process login with your Outlook account and type your email and password and sync in. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Sorry for my English. Goodbye.